Hi learners, good evening. Welcome you all to Unified Study. Today we are going to do rapid revision on ICT concepts plus PYQs. Welcome you all to Unified Study YouTube channel. Yes, welcome all Rukaya, Invarsar, Bhuwana, Anita, Deepa, Mani, Vetri, Seetal, Lekha, Anand, Satya, Sri, Usha, Sophie, Lopa, Seetal, Monica, all good afternoon. Very good afternoon. Hope you all had your lunch. Yes. Very good evening or good afternoon. It's good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon, everyone. Yes. No, ma'am. Today fasting. Oh, fasting. Very good. Very good. Very good. Good girl. Very good. Okay, today, as exams are nearing, after Diwali, I was not able to take the marathon session because of my health. And now, as the exams are nearing, as I promised, I'm here to take your marathon session. So today we will have on ICT. Okay. So yes, we are going to do PYQ only or with concept, ma'am. Um, aspirant, we are going to do with the concept and the PYQs. Okay. So PYQs will be there, and along with that, we'll be doing your uh, concept also. Okay. Right. All ready? Shall we start a class? All ready? All ready for ICT rapid revision with the concepts and PYQs. Let's start. Okay. Very good. Very good. I had my lunch. Yes, I had my lunch. Sheetal, I had. Yes. Okay. Do start. I just want to start that ICT with a unique question. Okay. So that you know how important is ICT and how different we have to study ICT. Yes. Start with the first question. Start with first question. Yes. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Which Indian Act makes it illegal to knowingly spread a computer virus? Yes. Quick, quick. If you give me answers, means we can discuss many more. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. All started joining. Very good. Very good. Yes. I've started my first question. Yes. Very good. C, 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 C. All giving right C answers. Yes. C. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. C. Information Technology Act 2000. Very good. Information Technology Act 2000. Very good. Very good. Very good. Right. So what is that answer for this question? The answer is Information Technology Act 2000, and it is said to be the first cybercrime act in India. Right? It is called as the first cybercrime act in India. That is IT Act 2000. Okay, IT Act 2000. And we have another act called IT Act 2008. IT Act 2008, Information Technology Act 2008, and that is mainly meant for what? They meant for cyber transaction. Cyber transaction, right? So whenever we do cyber crime by means of electronic communication, right? And that was what called to improve the security, to improve the cyber security. It came in the year 2008. Okay, 2008 came into force 2009. The act came in the year 2008 and it came into force in 2009. Note down the years. We have two things. First is Information Technology Act 2000. It is the first act for cybercrime. And then what? Then 2008, there is another act passed for information technology in 2008, and that is meant for the electronic transaction, that kind of cybercrimes. That act was passed and it came into force in the year 2009. Very good. Good, 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 good. Good. Yes. Going to the next question. And see, along with that, you have to just to know these sections, right? Under the cybercrime. This is from directly from the website of Indian cybercrime. So section 65 is for tampering computer source documents. Section 66 is meant for using password of another person. Section 66D for cheating using computer resources. 66E for publishing private images of others. If anybody publishes the private images of others means then it will be under cybercrime, that section 66E. 66F, acts of cyber terrorism, right? For cyber terrorism, that's a section called 66F. And for publishing child porn or predating children online, section 67. This may be asked, right? May be asked. And 69, government's power to block website. And section 43A, data protection at the corporate level. So these are the very important sections which comes under that cybercrime. Okay, this is from the these are the cyber laws with respect to the sections. Okay, you have to remember the two IT Acts 2000 and 2008, and then you have to know what the sections. These are the important sections. Okay. Yes. Clear. Yes. Moving to the next question. Which of the following are regarding CRTN? CRT in. Yes. Very good afternoon, Petshia and Rohit. Good afternoon. Come on, come on. As we are doing ICT, right? We have to, these are the in-depth next level of questions or next level of topics. Yes. Going to the next question. CRT in. Yes. Waiting for the answers. Do join quick. Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon. Do you like the session? CRT is the National Nodal Agency for corresponding to computer security incidents as and when they occur. It is operational since January 2014. Forecast and alert of cybersecurity is one of the functions of CRT. Yes. Very good, very good. All giving answers. Very good, very good. Clear, clear, super. Very good, very good. Very good. The right answer for this question is option A and C. Okay, not B. Okay, ma'am, what is that CRT? CRT in is Indian Computer Emergency Response Team. Please do note down the acronym for CRT. One time it's been asked. This is 22 question. Okay, CRT. CRT means what? Computer Emergency Response Team, and it directly comes under the ministry what? Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. That is also important. Please do note down the thing. Yes, Computer Emergency Response Team, and it is direct under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. And what is that CERT in? What is the working? It is operational since 2004. See, is it visible? I have to zoom. I'll zoom. Wait. Okay, it is operational since 2004, and the constituency of CRTN is the Indian cyber community. Okay, it's under this Indian cyber community. There we had a separate team for uh, emergency response, right? And what are the working of this emergency responses? Collection, analysis of dissemination of information on cyber incidents, forecasting and alerts of cyber security incidents, emergency measures for handling cyber security incidents, coordination of cyber incident response. See, all these things comes under the 2008 Act, right? 2008 Information Technology Act, and it came into force in the year 2009. Okay, so these under this the under that act only this team and all will be created, and with the functions of this team is to take care of the cyber crimes that is happening. Okay, take care of all kinds of cyber crimes that are happening, right? I have zoomed. Please do note down CERT in comes under the direct control of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. You have to be very clear about the ministry also. Please do note down. Yes, clear. Very good. Yes, clear. And we also have to know about the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology Ministry. Okay, that is very, very important. What is the working of that ministry? What they take care of, and all those things. It's very important, right? The main purpose of this ministry is to take care of that information technology. That related all the things will be taken care by this ministry. Okay, all digital format of things, cyber security, and all kind of incubators, startups, research development, everything, right? All these things can be related to this department. Clear? Yes, that is the working of MEITY, MEITY. We call it as MEITY. Main working of this ministry is to talk about the e-governance. They talk about IT based industries, IT infrastructure. All these things will be taken care by them. As I said, you e-government, e-governance, e-industry, R&D, e-learning, e-security, e-inclusion, internet governance. All the things will be taken care by this ministry, and that ministry we call it as what? MI MEITY. MEITY. Don't forget this ministry. Very, very important. Okay. This may be asked in our examination also. Please do note down. Right. So these are the working of MEITY. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Yes. Yes. E-government, industry, innovation, learning, security, inclusion, internet government. Yes. Moving to the next one. And as we are doing exams are nearing, Unified Study wish to give you the offer for those who have missed that scholarship exam and those who wish to take the platform of utilizing the PYQs. This is mainly meant for those who are hardworking, those who are preparing a lot. For them, again, this offer has been provided, right? If you want to take the paper one alone in our Unified Study app, you can take it for uh, 500, and only computer science, and if you want to have a combo you can get it for 800. This is mainly meant for learners who want to do it something, who want to learn things, can utilize this offer, right? If you want more details you can visit Unified Study app, right? Moving to the next question. Yes, now we move to the technical round of questions. First two questions are more generic things that we have to know. Many of the students may not know about that CRT, cybercrime, cyber act and all. That's why I gave you that question. Now we start with it. Which one of the following electronic technology is a key technology for making the first generation computer? Quick, quick, quick. Yes, waiting for the answer. Very good, very good. Good, 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 good. Right answer for this question is vacuum tube. These are called as the generation of computers. So first generation, second generation, fifth generation. Right, first generation period and what technology? Vacuum tubes they use. Second generation they use transistor. Third generation they use integrated circuit. Fourth generation they use microprocessor, and fifth generation they using, till present we are using AI. Till AI it has been come from, right? So this is the technology that we used in the first generation computers. Yes, moving to the next question. Going to the next question. Going to the next question. Next question. Yes. Very good. Very good. Next question. Yes. Yes. All giving right answers. Very good. Very good. Very good. Just now we discussed, right? Very good. Super. Good. Very good. The second generation is what? Integrated chips. ICs. Okay. It's a third generation. Third generation integrated computers that has evolved early mainframes to relatively small, smart devices with high computing power used today. Which of the following inventions can be used to reduce the physical sizes? Integrated circuits, that is the third generation of computers. Okay, right. First generation vacuum tubes, second generation transistor, and third generation ICs. Very good. Next one. Moving to the next question. And along with that, we have some other things like registers and solid state drive. What do you mean by solid state drive? That is a storage device that we use. And what is a register? That's also a storage device, and it is there in the top of the memory, and it is a collection of flip flops, right? And it's a collection of flip flops. Yes. Next question. Next one. Yes. Moving to the next question. Which of the following peripheral devices are considered as only input devices? Yes. Yes. Very good. Yes. So the following peripheral devices are used as the input devices. Very good, very good, very good. Getting answers. Yes. The right answer for this question is B, C, D. Optical marker, graphic tablet, and light pen. Okay. The other two are not the input devices. Okay. Going to the next question. Going to the next question. Anil has decided to use DVD, read write, DVD-R. Which of the following are used the storage devices? First, we'll do the questions and then we'll see. Okay, right. Which of the following are the statements true about the storage devices? Yes, yes. Yes. Read the question properly and then answer. Storage devices. Yes, good, 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 good. Right answer for this question is option 2, B and C. They have DVD read write, DVD-R. Which of the following statements are used for storage devices? Both DVD-R and RW are read only. No, it is given read write. It's not read only, it's also read and write. DVD-R can return to only once. Yes. Read write to many times. Yes. Both they are returned to only once. No. Right answer is option B and C. Very good. Next one. Which of the following peripheral devices are considered as the input devices? Yes. Yes. Read the question and then answer. Yes. Now it's okay? Deepa? Now it's okay? Yes. Sure, 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 sure. Yes. I'm getting mixed answers. One, two, one, two, one, two. Getting mixed answers. Getting mixed answers. Yes. Very good, very good. Yes, right answer for this question is option B, D, and E. See, these are the input devices, right? What are the input devices? Barcode reader, graphic tablet, and microphone are the input device. See, what is a peripheral device? So, peripheral device is a device which enters the information into a computer system, or sometimes it receives the information to the computer system, right? Sensor receives information to the computer system. So, peripheral devices can to input device, output device, and storage devices. What are the input device at which we give input, output, we receive output, storage, we store in it. You can ask a question, ma'am, why giving me such simple level of questions, right? But what we have to learn here is we have to know what are all the modern input devices and output devices. That is enough, right? So that is what the main thing that we have to learn here. We know we all as computer science and technology based, everyone aware of technology. So we know what are all the input device, output device. But one thing that we have to know is the modern input and output device that we are supposed to know. That is the important point, okay? Right? So mouse, scanner, barcode reader, digital pen, webcam, microphone are the examples of input devices. Output devices, printer, speaker, headphone, projector, all examples are the output device. When it comes to storage device, right? When it comes to storage device, we have many different types of storage devices now come, right? Solid, internal hard disk, external hard disk, right? All sorts of memories, and we can go for flash drives. Cloud storage, very, very important is cloud storage, okay? They may ask you questions from application. When it talks about cloud, you have to talk about virtualization. Okay, when it is called about cloud storage, it is about virtualization. And then external hard drives, memory card, optical disk, tape drives, in-memory database storage. These are all the things that we have to know along with the abbreviation and how it has been differed. In these days exams, they are asking with specific to differences between two different drives they are asking, and they are asking questions from what technology. In cloud and all, they use virtualization technique, right? So that we have to remember. Optical disk, remember. Magnet, hard disk and all, if you take, means they work on magnetic principles, right? When you take CDs, DVD, they work on optical disk principles. So we have to be aware of these principles also when question comes, right? So these are about the storage devices. Clear? And when input devices come, we have now many different inputs devices has been come, right? Fingerprint, barcode reader, and we also get input through image readers. Image readers are also there to get inputs, right? So they can also be asked as an question. So please note, aware of all the modern input devices and output devices. Yes, clear. Next question. Next question. Identify the correct orders for the words. These are the modern way of asking questions. Nowadays, they're asking questions in this way. Parts of the CPU that one holds the programs and data currently in use is called dash. You can take it in this way so that it will be easily understood. Yes, now we can do it. The last option is B, D, and E. Good afternoon, Tamim. Yes. In modern days, nowadays, we have many things which comes between the input and output also. Yeah, okay. There are some devices which comes between input and output devices. Yes, answer the question. Yes. Sometimes CD is also acting as an input device. It also acting as an output device. Am I right? Sometimes a CD acts as input and also output. We read data from that becomes output. Sometimes we write data, it becomes an input, right? So in both the case it happens. So there are some devices which act both as an input and also as an output devices. Yes. Very good, very good, very good. Very good. The right answer for this question is what? Option 2. Yes, many of them giving 2. Those who are giving 1 and the other options, please do listen. The right answer is option 2. The holds dash holds programs data currently is in use is called what they have given 5 things: control unit, ASCII, immediate access store, ALU, and SSD, right? So which holds the program and data currently in use is called the immediate access store, right? Is C. And the performs the calculations and the store logical operations, right? Second one, we have ALU, arithmetic and logical operations. And for 3 tells input or operates how to carry out the instruction. How to carry out the instruction is done by control unit. Ma'am, then what is the working of ASCII? ASCII, what is the working of ASCII? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. That is the abbreviation. What is the working of, but considering the primary purpose? Yes. So American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Yes, that is ASCII. And what is SSD? SSD is solid state drive. Solid state drive. This is a storage device. Okay, clear? Yes. What is the purpose of ASCII? What is the purpose of ASCII? What is the purpose of ASCII? When it is being founded? ASCII is a system which translates the alphanumeric characters and characters to a computer readable code. Yes. So whatever we give through here through words, characters in our keyboard, right? We have so many characters, functional keys, symbols are all there. So when I click yes means it will be converted into corresponding readable format for a computer, right? And that we call it as what? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. That is the working of ASCII, right? Have to know about the working of ASCII also, right? And so it will be represented by 0 to 127. Yes, very good. Yes, yes. The code lies between what? The code lies between what? Yes, it lies between 0 to 127. That is 128 alphabetic, numeric, and special characters will be there in ASCII. Clear? Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Exactly. Yes. Capital A 65 7-bit binary code. Exactly. Alphabets, numbers, symbols. Symbols also there, Vianney. Symbols also there, right? Yes. Symbols also there. Very good. Super. Good. 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 And we have another one that is called Unicode, right? We have another code called what? Unicode. What is Unicode? We have another code other than ASCII code. We have another code called Unicode. The modern system use Unicode, and it is known as, it's a worldwide character standard. Whatever in all web pages and all, you would have seen UTF. Yes, UTF, right? That what is that UTF is? It is what kind of character that I use. It comes under that UTF. Okay, it comes, whatever character we use, it comes under that one. Okay, yes, UTF-8 will be using. Unicode transformation format. Note down, Unicode transformation format. Yes, very good, very good. Transformation format. So whatever code that we use, right, it comes under that format. Yes. Yes. Clear? Yes. And along with that, I would like to ask you another, as going, I'll be asking the abbreviation also. Try to give me, okay. What is this? EBCIDC. This is a code. This comes under a code. This comes under a code. What is the abbreviation for this code? What is the abbreviation for this code? Learners, we are doing revision, okay? Don't worry. If you don't know, simply write it down. That's all. Learners, those who are watching the videos, I am telling you, this 2 hours we are going to revise ICT concept. If you know, revise it. If you don't know, if you are not aware of those terms, don't worry, simply write down what I am telling down. That will be useful for your revision. Clear? Right? What is that EBCIDC? EBCIDC. And that is a code. I'll give you a clue. Like ASCII, it is also a code. Like ASCII, it is also a code. This is called what? Extended binary coded decimal I should come here. Interchange code. Yes, interchange code. Very good. Sudha, very good. Extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Very good, very good. Do very good. Yes, very good. Yes, very good. Super good. It's not erasable, Pritika. It is extended. It is extended. Yes, very good. Yes. Okay, super good. All are reading. All are reading and right. Super. So the working of EBCDIC is also to convert the ASCII value to the EBCDIC representation. Okay, it will be converting. The conversion working is that of EBCDIC. Okay. Yes. But still we use these kind of codes also in our technology. Next question. Moving to next question. Moving to next question. Yes, we have learned few abbreviations. Along with that, we have learned some concepts. Note down the concepts so that it will be very useful for you. Yes. Next question. Regarding wearable technology, which of the following tasks are accomplished by wearable devices? Task. Too quick. Wearable technology. I hope all are aware of the wearable technology, right? We all aware of wearable technologies. Yes, waiting for the answers. We all aware of wearable technology. Yes, very good, very good, very good, very good. You do right or wrong, I'll say very good to you. Yes, wearable technology. Good, good, good. All know and wear and use, present, all sorts of things that we do with wearable technology, right? Yes. All giving answer one, two, three, four. All options are coming now. But the right answer for this question is what it is C. The wearable technology is providing more security compared to other computing devices. Sharing of wearable devices in internet connection with our connected computers, assisting hearing impaired persons. Right? I'm getting mixed answers for this question. Yes. The right answer for this question is only option C. It is not option A and B. Providing more security means it is necessarily not said to be true, right? Security is not necessarily true in terms of wearable devices. Okay, right? Because it is vulnerable to security threat. So it is not necessary. That's so it is false actually. Second one, sharing of wearable devices, internet connection with other internet computers. So that is not a common feature of wearable devices. We not used to share the internet through our wearable devices, right? That is also false. That also will not come. What is the third one? Assisting hearing impact. Yes, for that we have a wearable technology has come for impaired persons, right? So what those who are not aware of this wearable technology, I just want to show you the sunglasses, the smart watches, wearable medicine like for taking blood sugar, BP and all, right? We have smart shoes, how long we walk we have, and we have dresses for smart clothing, and we have for in medicine healthcare field we have so many things with respect to wearables, right? And computer interface and all, it has not that we have used so far, public have not used, right? And we have these are the things, these are implants, right? They are implants that we in healthcare department we have so many things, right? In healthcare we have so many wearable technology has been come clear. Yes, so this question, the security compared to other computing devices is not there. Sharing of wearable devices, internet connection, right? We are not sharing the internet connection as we do with other technology. It was not there here in this wearable technology. Wearable technology means that Bluetooth watch we use, right? um, Bluetooth glasses, right? VR glasses, augmented reality, right? Uh, Smart watches, and all comes under wearables, whichever we wear, and it has the technology in it. Yes, right. Only you tell. Very good, madam. Yes, that's what. Okay. Uh, Seetal and Lakshmikant, the telling very good. It's psychologically good. Okay, even though we do mistake, right? If we say good, okay, we can do it better. For that only I'm saying you good, don't worry. Okay, yes. Devices that we are wearing, yes, exactly right, exactly right. Yes, clear. Wearable technologies, be aware of technologies that we use in present days. Everything has been what wearables, everything has become technology based things. Everything has been connected to IoTs. We have to be aware of IoT also. What is IoT? What is IoT? What is IoT? IoT, it is Internet of Things. Internet of Things. And what is a major parameter of IoT? What is a major parameter of IoT? With what IoT works? With what IoT works? How that IoT works? Yes, Internet of Things. How it works? What are all needed for that one? We have to be aware of. Yes, very good, very good, very good, very good. Sensors, automation, very good. All giving answers. Why I'm telling you all these things is these are present day technology that we are supposed to be aware of. That's why I'm telling all these things, right? So if I want IoT means what? I need many things like actuators, sensors, and we need application. Very good, exactly, Tamim. Application we need AI. These are PYQs. I don't know some of the topics. Yes, you may get questions from these topics also. Yes, yeah, we have artificial intelligence. Here we have wearables, right? Through that, the data will be collected, right? And what are all these things? Through this technology, the connectors are there, right? So these are the sensors. So through the IoT sensors, the data has been collected and through the gateway it is being transferred. I don't want to go to inner detail and all. Just tell you the story alone, okay? And through the data will be transferred to the application and there it will be giving us the result. Okay, so we need to be aware of the IoT working, sensors, actuators are there, artificial intelligence is there, how it is being reflected by means of our application, right? We wear watches, smart watches we wear, okay? We now it has been iPin, everything has been converted to small devices. Every data has been collected through the sensor. Sensor, what kind of device? It is a kind of a modern input device. Clear? This is what I told you in the beginning. Sensor is also a type of an input device which collects data, which takes the data, through which we give data, through which we collect data. Yes or no? Yes or no? Sensor is the input device or an output device? Sensor is input or output device? Sensor is either an input device or an output device. Yes. Sensor is either an input device or it is an output device. Quick, quick. Learners, quick learners. Yes. Yes, very good. Very good. Input device. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Good, good, good. Very good. Next. It depends upon the scene we have to answer. Okay. Yes. Going to the next question. Very good. Next question. Good, good. How's the class going? Is it interesting? Yes, Sudha. Yes, Sudha. Yes. Very good. Thank you. More interesting questions. Yes, more interesting questions are coming. Don't worry. See, one thing I would like to tell you about the sensor. See, sensors are, according to electronics, they are said to be inputs, right? Sensors, they sense the data, they takes the data inside, okay? So, according to electronics, we say that sensor devices are inputs, okay? They're said to be an input device. Quick, quick. Very good, very good. All giving right answers for the question. All giving right answer for the question. Yes, very good, very good, very good, very good. Right answer for this question is option B and C, which of the following memory is considered as the primary storage. Very easy, right? Primary storage, that's B and C. B and C are the primary storage. Yes, very good. Removable hard disk. Very good. Next question. Which of the following are the main benefits of networking computers and devices rather than using a number of standalone computers? Last option is A, B, D. A, B, and D. Yes, networking computers. Networking means connected in a network. Connected in a network. That's called networking computers. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Right answer for this question is option number D. Is this a repeated question? No. Just now only I'm asking this question. Okay. Devices such as printers can be shared, thus reducing the cost. Yes, that is in the benefits of networking. License to run software to networks are often far cheaper than buying it for a standalone computer. Single computer we call standalone computer. Users cannot share files and data. No, it is wrong. Access to reliable data that comes from a central source, such as a file server. That all we use in colleges, offices, and all, right. There we use this networking computers. So when it comes under networking, what are all things that we have to be aware of is we have to be aware of the different types of networks, right? Like LAN, WAN, MAN, and PAN, right? So these are the computers that networks that we are supposed to know. What do you mean by LAN? It is local area network. WAN, wireless area network. MAN, metropolitan area network. PAN, it is a personal area network. Ma'am, what are all these types of network, ma'am? See, what is whenever I say it is a LAN network means that will be the area will be very small. With that small area, the network will be created, right? And that we call it as local area network. With respect to space, it is small. It will be within a building, home, okay, or an organization, right? And that we call it as a local area network. When I say it is a wide area network, it means what? There relatively the geographical area will be more, right? The geographical area will be more when compared to land. So what do you mean by WAN is it may be consist of two or more local area network connected together, right? And Say example, if you take telephone systems and all, right, internet system, these are all connected by means of wide area network. And what do you mean by man is nothing but what? It's a metropolitan area network, where the geographical area is not that much wide that WAN, it is smaller than wide area network. Okay, right? And then personal area network is what? PAN is nothing but a personal area network. Okay, where now I am using my system, right? I have my laptop, I have my camera here, and I have my site, I have my tab here, and I have my printer here, right? I have my speaker here. All are being connected. That is a personal area network. We call it as a personal area network, right? And we call it as another network called a global area network. What? We have global area network, and they're supported for mobile connection across wireless LANs, satellite connections and all, right? When we want to connect, and we call GAN, geographical area network. All these things being connected by a term called internet. Yes, all these things is being connected by what we call internet. Okay, networking, right? When we connected by means of network, right? Is that internet and internetworking, and we have internetworking. So if I want all these to work, I need internet, and the connection of all the internet, we call it as internetworking. Clear? Clear, learners? Clear, learners? Shall I move to the next question? Moving to the next question. So see, we have covered so far the concepts of Act, IT Act, Information Technology Act. We have covered. Along with that, we have seen the Ministry of under which control IT is been working, and we have seen some questions regarding the computer fundamentals. We have seen with the devices. We have seen with the networks. We have seen, and we have seen some questions from memories, right? Memory questions we have seen. Now next question. Yes. Next question. Jan, geographical area network, Meenakshi ma'am. Yes, read the question and then answer. Very good. Very good. All giving right answers. Very good. Happy. Right answer for this question is option number 2. Option number 2. Disk fragmented, disk formatted, device driver, solid state drive. Disk defragmenter means what? It is a utility that reorganizes the sectors on a hard disk so that the files can be stored in a contiguous data blocks. Disk formatter means what? Sorry, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Disk formatter means what? It's a utility that prepares the disk to allow data to be stored and retrieved. Okay, this is formatting and this is defragmenting. Okay, yes. And disk driver, that we know, right? We used to disk driver, sorry, device driver, when I want to connect my keyboard, my tab pen, right? Whatever I want to connect, the device has to give permission to use these things, right? Then only I'll be able to use that one. So what is C? C is nothing but a software that communicates with the OS and translates the data into understandable by the device drivers, device managers in there. Solid state drives are what? It's a storage device. Okay, solid state device is the storage device. Yeah, very good. Super. Understood? Yes. Going to the next question. Sorry? BNC or C? Where? Yes, wait. 1 minute, wait. 1 minute. 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll check. Yes, I'll check. 1 minute. 1 minute, I'll check. Four, three, solid straight. It's wrong. Okay. Okay, I'll give that correct question. I'll give the correct question. Wait. We move to the next question. Meantime, I'll give you the right option for that. Go to the next question. Yes. I will check. For solid state drive, it's wrong actually. Okay, do this one. Meantime, I will get it you. Very good, very good. Thank you, Rukia ma'am. Thank you. Okay, what are all these things is called automatic data capture method. Okay, we say many devices, right? Now we have a concept called automatic data capture method. The right answer for the question is A. Many of them giving me right answers. In between, I get some. Okay, no problem. What is this automatic data capture method? Biometrics, OCR, OMR, RFID. Biometrics, whatever we do through impressions, right? Biometrics, we say. Ma'am, Zoom pay online. Slow. How can I zoom more than this? Please, okay. Biometrics means what? Use of fingerprint scans, retina scans, face identification as a way of identifying a person. See, biometrics is not only with this fingerprints, it is also comes with image scanner, right? So there are many places where will be scanned by through our image. In airports and all, there we have a scanner to scan our image, right? To scan our face. So that also comes under this biometrics, right? OCR means what? Optical character recognition. And what is that optical character recognition? It is reading the data directly from a hard copy and convert to a computer readable format. OMR, OMR what? Magnetic recognition, optical magnetic recognition. Please be aware of the abbreviation. OMR means what? What it does? It reads a pencil or pen marks on a piece of paper which is the determined position, right? OMR sheets would have done. And then RFID, radio frequency identification devices. In all the shops that we have this RFID. In all shops, we have this RFIDs, right? So use of minute electronic devices containing a microchip and antenna, which can be read from distances up to 5 meters. See, distance is very, very important. Yes, yes, they are using biometrics, right? Next one. See, this is our automatic data capture systems working, right? What will happen? The machine, the article will be there. There will be a machine readable code will be there, and it will be read through a device. That device can be a barcode scanner, QR scanner, RFID readers. Okay, it can be an OCR devices, right? And one more thing here I want to give you is about this NFC device. What do you mean by NFC? Radio frequency identification device. What do you mean by NFC? MRI? MRI? NFC, yes. What is NFC? What is NFC? I'm asking you. You asking me, Anand? Okay. What are NFCs are? NFC is nothing but near field communication. Okay. Near field communication. Okay, so RFID use this wireless barcodes and all to scan, and NFCs are chips that we use, the smart cards, right? Smart cards, we have chips, right? And nowadays, all our ATM cards have that smart chip there. So when I don't want to swipe, when I just make a tap, I can make transaction. For that purpose only, that we call NFC. In hotels and all, we have that one. Hotels, right? When we do this, we can open the door, right? NFC, where it has a near field communication. So these are all the way we can apply. These are all the areas where we apply the near field communications. Okay. In our ATM cards, right, we would have seen a small chip, and that is a main example for NFC, near field communication. Yes, exactly right. So RFID is also a technology. NFC is also a technology. It stands for radio frequency identification. It's a contactless one-way communication. Understand? RFID is a one-way communication at varying distances. But NFC is near field communication, which is a two-way communication, and it requires action by the user. Okay. So when I tap the card which I have, means it will open. So when I tap the card, which I should do, on the other side, it has to communicate to allow me or not. Okay, so it's a two-way communication. Radio frequency, it's a contactless one-way communication at varying distances. Clear? Yes. So see, it operates the range. It may be asked in your examination. It's a one-way communication. It's a simplex, half duplex. Then now tell me, what is simplex? What is duplex? Half duplex and full duplex. So simplex means it is one-way communication. Today morning we discussed, right? It is one-way communication. Half duplex means it is two-way communication, but only one as at a time. One at a time. It is half duplex. Full duplex means two-way communication, but two at a time. At a time, both can communicate, right? And this we call it as what? This is transmission, data transmission modes. Yes. Data transmission modes. And see, RFID can read multiple tags at a time, but NFC can read only one tag at a time. It does not interfere with other devices, but it can interfere with other devices. Yes, exactly. Clear. Clear. Very good. Super. Simple one way, half duplex two way, one at a time. Yes, we are studying in computer networks. Yes, exactly right. Yes. Full way communication where simplex is one way, half duplex like walkie talkie, right? One at a time will talk on the either side. After this only they will be able to talk. Full duplex like what we do through a phone. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Move to the next question. Yes, going to the next question. Yes. Nowadays, they're asking questions like this also. Earlier, one line, one question will be there. Nowadays, they're asking 4 lines as a one question. As one question now we are asking. Am I right? Yes, quick, quick. Quick learners will have many. Very good, very good. Very good. The right answer for this question is option 4, CADB. A laser printer is a type of dash printer. What kind of a printer? It is a non-impact printer. Right? It's a non-impact printer. It produces dash quality printouts and uses onto paper. It produces what kind of? It gets a high quality printouts and uses onto paper. A dash printer can produce carbon copies because the printhead makes contact with the paper. A toner, right? A toner printer can produce carbon copies. It can create the carbon copies because the printhead makes contact with the paper. Yes, clear? One more dash is missing, I think so. Wait, wait. One more dash is missing. Yes. It produces high quality printouts on the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Wait, wait. Printer uses dash. Here comes dash. 1 minute. Here comes dash. Dash onto paper. Here comes a dash. That's what I think. How toner will come here. I'm thinking. Toner is not a printer, right? I'm thinking. Here comes a dash. Here. So see, right? Here, high, right? What will come here? Quality printouts and uses dash onto a printer. That is your toner. And dash printer can produce carbon copies. And that is your dot matrix printer. Yes, clear. Very good. I repeat again the question, those who have not understood. A laser printer is a type of what printer? Laser printer, right? Laser printer that we use. It's a non-impact printer. It is a non-impact printer. It produces high quality printouts and it uses dash onto paper. What it uses to print out? It uses the tone. It uses a toner to print out, right? And a dash printer can produce carbon copies because the printed it makes contact with the paper, and that is last option. It is dot matrix. Yes. Going to the next question. Yes. Now comes very important topic. Very interesting. Usually we will be getting sure short questions from this topic. Without doubt, we have to remember this one. Okay. No doubt at all, we will be getting definite one question from this year. Definite question will come. Definite question will come from this one. Definite question will be come from this year. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Option 4, Akka, all giving option 4, is it right? All giving option 4. All. All computer science students. Make sure your answer. You should not regret after showing the answer. Check twice. Make sure the answer. You should not feel when I show the answers to you. Learners, make sure the answers. Is the answer right? Recheck the answer. Yes. Whether you stick to B, stick to 4. Okay. Okay. Enough, enough. So, okay. See, in examination, I just wanted to test you something and I have to tell you something. In examination, whatever an intuition says very first when I'm looking after the question, it will be maximum right. Okay. If you do a rethink and you just get confused and overthink what will happen, it will go wrong. Yes or no? Yes. So when I ask questions, whether it's right or wrong means you should be very strong enough to tell whether it is right or wrong. Okay. If you get confused of the questions, then what? Show the answer ma'am first, then you talk. Score. Yes. Somebody is scolding me, ma'am. First show the answers and then you talk. Yes or no? Yes, okay. Okay. First one comes the register, second one comes the cache memory, and then next comes the main memory. Okay, then comes the main memory, and then comes the hard disk, and then comes the last one, CD Pro. Yes. Yes. After I asked whether it's right, so many changes come. Then it shows that you are not very confident with your answers. Yes. You should not get confused. Yes, you told us it. I checked 4 times 30 seconds, but still getting same answers. Right. No worries. I just want to tell you something with this question. What is that thing is? First intuition, when you look at some question, you'll be getting right answer. Okay. Your memory will telling you the right answer. When you do a slight amount of overthinking, it will go wrong. So try to be very confident with your answers. Okay. Right. Since this is the memory hierarchy, I think you will not forget this memory diagram when it comes in your examination. Registers is that resides in the processor. It is the topmost place. And second one is the cache memory. And third one is the main memory. And then comes the magnetic disk. And then comes the magnetic tapes. Yes. I confused. Who told you no? Yes. Inner eyes, right? Exactly right. You would have, that's why I'm asking you all computer science students, be confident with this area. We should not feel down, right? So the first one will be the CPU register. First one. Second one will be what the cache memory. Third one will be what your main memory. And then next comes your hard disk. And then comes your CD-ROM. Okay. This is the thing. And what they have asked, fastest to slowest. Remember, How fast it will be accessed? CPU register, as they reside inside the processor, it will be accessed very fast compared to the CD-ROM and the hard disk. Yes, very good, Aparna. Very good. Lakshmi Kant sir, you asking question where toner is coming to picture, madam. Toner here, right? It produces high quality printouts and uses toner onto the paper. If I want to print, right? Sometimes you would have seen in the college or the printing places, right? The ink will not be that much thick. It will be light. They'll be telling toner has gone down. We have to change the toner. The toner only will transfer the ink to that paper. That's the role of toner there. Okay. Hope I have clarified your question. Lakshmikant sir, I have clarified your question also. Clear? Very good. Moving to the next question. Yes. Along with that, I would like to tell you another thing with this um, memory hierarchy. What one is here in L1 cache memory, it will be divided into L1, L2 and L3 cache. Okay. Please do note down, right? So in cache memory, we have some more divisions like cache memory. L1 cache, L2 cache and L3 L cache. Okay. Nice. And see in that L1, L2 cache, which memory will be there is SRAM will be there. Static memory, static random access memory will be there. Okay. And in L3, L4 cache, what will be there? DRAM will be there. Next slide, we are going to do about this SRAM and DRAM. Please kindly do note down about the SRAM and DRAM. So SRAM resides where? It resides there in the cache memory. SRAM resides there in the cache memory. Yes, that is static random access memory, and this DRAM is dynamic random access memory. So when I take that random access memory, right, we have division called static random access memory and dynamic random access memory, and this cache memory uses the memory of SRAM, and the main memory uses the memory of DRAM, dynamic random access memory. Clear? I repeat again, SRAM, static random access memory, resides in the cache memory, and the dynamic random memory resides in the place of main memory. Okay. Yes, kindly 5 o'clock will complete, ma'am. Deepam Puja waiting. Yes, waiting. I'll try to complete. Okay. So please do note down this one. Okay. Right. Do this question now. Don't worry, Anand ma'am. We have 27 minutes more right to complete. Thank you. If not, we will do it tomorrow. As we have tomorrow, right? But tomorrow I have planned some other things to be completed. Let me check. Now only I told you. I think with that you can do this question. Now only I told you. To do the second reason, you can draw this diagram, right? So with this diagram, what I told you, the access is very fast here. Access is fast here compared to this one, lower level. Okay, this is the key to this one. I'll come 1 minute. Yes, 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 yes. Very good. All giving option 4 and 3, 4 and 3, 4 and 3 as the answer. Okay, let me go and check the answer for this question. Answer for this question is option 3. Just now only I told you, right? Just now only I told you, right? And how you do mistake? See, static RAM is typically used for PC's main memory. Just now only I told you SRAM is where it resides in the cache memory. Yes, SRAM resides in the cache memory. Where does DRAM resides? DRAM resides in the main memory. DRAM resides in the main memory. Yes, am I right? Right, you are right. You are right. Yes, yes, you are right. Yes, yes. Option 4, right, right, right. Right. Yes, very good. So SRAM resides where? It resides there in the cache memory, right? And where does that DRAM resides? DRAM resides in the main memory. What is the second option? Second option is given is static RAM is faster than the uh, dynamic RAM. Okay. Yes, that is said to be true. Why I am said to be true? We can identify by that diagram, right? Static RAM is resides there in the second one, so it will be obviously faster than the dynamic RAM. Very good, very good, 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 good. It has been done by the typing. They have done the mistake. The static RAM is typically used for PC's main memory. No, it is main in the cache memory. Done in the cache memory. Dynamic memory where is used in the main. Very good, clear. I will erase this. When you read, you will do mistake then. I'll change that answer. Don't worry, okay? I will change this one. So what is the difference between static RAM and dynamic RAM? This is made up of flip-flops and this is made up of capacitors and this is large in size and this is small in size. And when it comes to expense, right, this is more expensive than dynamic RAM. And one more thing I would like to tell you with regarding the cost. When I move upwards, right, when I move upwards, the cost is very huge compared to lower one. If I take a pen drive or an external hard disk, is cost around some 2 TB of hard disk cost around 4,000 rupees. But here when I take a cache memory or any RAM, even you take RAM, a 4 GB RAM you take, it cost around rupees some 4,000 rupees. See where 4 GB, where 2 TB. Whenever we go inside the machine, the memory cost just it's more. Whenever it comes outside, it's less, it's cheap compared to the rate inside. Okay, don't forget. And when it comes to access inside, we can do it more fast compared to the outside. Okay, right. And it stores lower storage capacity, it stores high storage capacity. Power, when it comes to cover, static RAM uses more power and it consumes less power, and it is fast and it is slow. Static RAM is faster than dynamic RAM. Okay, yes, clear. Going to the next question. Moving to the next question. Yes. Very good, very good. All have attending very clearly. Moving to the next question. I'd like to cover between hereafter. We'll go a little bit fast, okay? Because as we have Deebam, so we have to go fast. I'll just give you a glimpse. Internal external memory, cache memory, RAM, virtual memory, ROM, magnetic memory. We have what? Optical state and we have magnetic state memory. And SRAM, DRAM. Remember static random access memory, dynamic random access memory, ROM, MPROM, PPROM, EPROM and EEPROM. When it comes to optical disk, CD, DVD and all use optical disk. We had a question yesterday also. Magnetic disk use hard disk drives, solid state disk, solid state drive, USB and stick. Okay, right. Hard disk and SSD. Don't forget, it will be come in any type of questions. You may get questions. Okay. Yes, moving to the next question. Moving to the next question. Yes. First, with respect to information technology, which statement best describes the cache memory? Yes. That's why I strike to Shah. Very good. Very good. The right answer for this question is option number B. What is option number B? It resides high speed memory that is included in device to improve the response time. Where does cache memory resides? It resides between the processor and the main memory. Okay. Cache memory is high speed memory which is small in size but faster than the main memory, which can access more quickly than the primary memory. It is like PA. It is like a PA to the head of some person, right? So it will easily be accessible. Which is to synchronize the high speed CPU to improve the performance of the system. Right. Very good, very good. Moving to the next question. Quick. Blu-ray disc, SSD, ROM, RAM. Check the question once. Yes, yes. I found the answer. Quick, quick, quick. Yes. Very good. The right answer for this question is no more thing. Right option is 4. Blu-ray disc. It's an optical storage media which uses blue electricity. SSD is solid state drive which uses the movement of electrons within a microchip. There are no moving parts. Yesterday we had a question, right? Hard disk has the moving parts, but SSD is not having moving parts. Yesterday we had a question. HDD. HDD has moving parts, right? Please do note down. Yesterday we had a question like this. SSD has no moving parts, right? And ROM, read only memory. Read only memory means what? Non-volatile. That can be read only be read from and not written to. Operating system and all resides there, right? We have BIOS, we have operating system there, binary input output, and we have operating system files will be resides there. So whenever my system boots on, it will be read. Okay. And random access memory, it's volatile memory. Okay. RAM is volatile. RAM is volatile. Volatile means what? It goes off. It goes off. Okay. Moving to the next question. Yes. Moving to the next question. Make it fast. EEPROM, RAM. Simple. Very, very simple. Just now I told you that you can tell. Yes. Right. Right answer for this question is option B. This is electrically erasable, programmable read-only memory. RAM is much faster to write or read from other types of memory because its main drawback is non-volatility because it is volatile, right? Because it is volatile. Yes, because it is volatile. Right? Going to the next question. This we can all do it very quick. So we can do it. Even time. We have 25 minutes, okay? We have 25 minutes. I'll try to complete. RAM, ROM. Very good. I'm getting answers. The right answer for the question is option A. RAM, what? Volatile. ROM, non-volatile. DVD, it's an optical storage. Both are optical storage. But DVD RAM. It is a single spiral track and uses a dual layer technology or a high data storage capacity. That is for C. And there here it's for uses concentric allowing writing and takes place at the same time. Okay. It's read write actually. It's read write. It is RW. It's read write. Okay. Yes, very good. Very good. Next question. Oh, I've showed you the answer. Somebody will. Not seen. Not seen. Very good then. If not seen, no problem. Which are the following are the text file formats? Text file formats. Yes, very good. Yes. I think there is a small thing to be added. One small thing. You please try to give the answers rightly there. That is a small mistake. If I give the options right, then it will be identified. Very good, very good. Quick, quick. Okay. Going to the answer for this question is option B, D, and E. May ask me, ma'am, why not PDF? PDF is a file format. Okay, it's not the right answer for this question is CSV, RTF, and TXT. Ma'am, what is PDF? Portable document format, comma separated values. GIF is an image format. RTF is rich text format. Text means it's a text document. Yes, clear? Yes, clear? Yes. AD. Yes. Options giving BB. The right answer for this question is option B. Right? Right answer for this question is option B. Okay? Yes? Yes. Very good. RTF means rich text format. This rich text for CSV means comma separated values. Comma separated values. That we use in Excel. This we use in Excel. Comma separated values. And GIF is nothing but graphics. Don't worry, we have a separate page here to have all these formats I've attached. So don't worry. Okay. RTF rich text format. Yes, it comes in Excel. CSV comes in Excel. RTF, it is a rich text format. And text, it's a plain document. It is a plain document. Yes, moving to the next question. Which of the following file formats are operated for video files across the internet? See, in PDF, we can have all type of things there. Okay, in PDF, we can have image, we can have text. Okay. Okay, quick. Right, the right answer for this question is option 2. Okay, video file formatting, FLA and AVI. All the others belongs to audio formats. All belongs to audio formats. Here, yes. Now, I'll give you a image. Here, these are the various audio formats and video formats. Similarly, we have many text formats also. You can go through this page to have an idea of what are all the text formats, what are all the audio formats. You can use this page. Okay. You can use this page to have an idea of what are all the video formats and audio formats. MP4, AVI. Okay. You can go through this page. Clear, learners? Okay. The AVI is the video format given here. You can go through this video formats, just go through, that's all enough. Okay, MP3, wave format, AAC. Most widely we use MP3, wave, and we use VMA, and these are all the various different formats that we use for audio. For video, MP4, AVI, MKV we use, VMV we use, MOV we use, FLV we use, MPEG we use, right? These are all the different video formats of data. Yes. Very good. Go to the next one. Yes. Actually, it is FLV, 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 LV, flash video, FLV. Yes. Okay. Going to the next question. Make it fast so that we'll do it. Okay. So same kind of question. They have given you the file. They have asked for a file format. Very easy question. This FLA also comes under this flash type of thing earlier before. Yes, right answer for this question is option 3. Yes, video file MP4, podcast it's MP3, audio, right? Photograph it's JPEG, spreadsheet XLX. Very good. Please kindly go through this text format and image format. TXT, CSV, XML, JSON, HTML, rich text format, Markdown, LaTeX, HTML, YAML. See, these are all only text will be there. They are only text-based files. CSV, you may ask, ma'am, in Excel we also have image. No, no. In CSV, it has only text will be there. So these are all text format files. Image format files are all these JPEG, PNG, GIF, BMPF, RAW, SVG, PDF. Please kindly go through all these things. Have it in your mind. This TIFF and all, this and all have very huge data space will be taken. Next one, tell me the image, sound, audio can be created a number of file formats. In this context, which are the compressed file formats? Which of the following are compressed file formats? Which can we do the compression? Which files we can do compression? Yes. Deepa, we have so many formats. That's why I've given you this one. So you can, after the class, you can note down. Okay, you can zoom and we can note down. Yes. Quick. Option 4, compressed file. Yes. Yes, the right answer for this question is option A. It's A, B, and E. JPEG, MP3, and MP4. These are the files that we can use for compressed file formats. We can do compressed file formats. Okay, moving to the next questions. Yeah, I just want to go to this. This week comes under attacks. Next comes under cyber attacks. Quick, quick, we can complete. Make it fast. Attacks. Last, we have only 10 minutes. Shall I go till 5:15? Shall I go till 5:15? Last 15 minutes, I would like to tell you some basic things which were not in PYQs, but it has to be known. Maybe current updates, some initiatives. Okay, I'll be taking last 15 minutes. Yes, 5 to 5:50. Yes, the right answer for this question is option coming. Yes, yes, right. Bodu, ma'am. Bodu, ma'am. No, ma'am. Right answer is option number 4. Spyware, it's 2. See, somewhere we are all going for 6 hours, 7 hours. You telling for not only 2 hours I have completed, you are telling Podu, ma'am. Spyware is what? Spies your system activity and getting data at spyware. Firewall means what? Where a hardware or software designed to protect our system. Bluetooth means what? It is a wireless technology for transmitting short range distances. Understand, right? denial services what? It is an attack which happens in our system, right? Which involves flooding the network with useless traffic. The denial of service is an attack. It is a network attack. Next question. Miss Madhu clicks a web link received in a message on her phone. Web link on her phone, which promises her a complimentary trip to a destination of her choice. She forwarded this message to his friend. Arun asked him to do the same, but Arun refuses and tells Madhu that her personal and private information, such as online account names, login information, and passwords, can be stolen, and she should be careful of such attack. Very, very easy. Yes. Ritu, Rohit, Anand. I think you are in hurry to go for Deepam. That's why giving wrong answer. Yes, Anand. Yesterday only we discussed that way. I have underlined here web link. If it's a web link through email, web link. Yes. But are you giving plug? Yes. Yes, the right answer for this question is it is what? Phishing. Yesterday we discussed, right? Phishing. Yes. Going to the next question. See, and then I've given here a page of most repeated attacks that we have been getting in our examination. Virus, worm, Trojanos, ransomware. I'll go three by three. Virus is what? It just spreads across the system, right? It is an executable file which spreads across the system. It's virus. Worm means what? It is self-replicating programs which can spread across internet without needing a host file, right? Which does not need a host file to spread across. Right? And that we call it as what? A worm. Next comes Trojan horse. Trojan horse, a malicious program discussed as a legitimate software often designed to trick users to installing them and giving attackers unauthorized access. So this what they will do, they will be getting inside as a legitimate software and they'll make us to install and then we give access to them so that there'll be an unauthorized access to hack our data. Ransomware means what? Where we will be they'll be get into a system and will be demanded to pay something to come out of that issue. That is a ransomware. Spyware means what? They'll be yesterday we discussed, right? They'll be take care of the keystrokes movements that we are doing. Yes, yes, yes. I will hide my image. Don't worry. Just now only I'm coming from the top five. Why you hurry? When I go down, it will be I'll be hidden. Don't worry. Spyware means what? It is through the keystrokes we'll be doing something. What do you mean by adware? Adware means unwanted software displays advertisements on the computers, right? That will makes us to disturb and takes us somewhere. That is adware. And key loggers. What do you mean by key loggers? Keystrokes will be noted. It comes under the spyware, right? Keystrokes will be noted to that to capture the sensitive information. That is why in many applications we have been given virtual keyboards. Okay, right. And then botnets. Botnets are used that DDoS things, right? And wait, I'll hide myself. So next one comes what? Next one is to Uh, rootkits. So this is also a malicious software provides unauthorized access while hiding its presence from users and security tools. Okay, that's rootkits. Backdoors means entry from the unauthorized point they will be getting inside. Logic bomb, it will be activated whenever that certain conditions are met, that code will be activated. It's a logic bomb. Fileless malware means what? They operates in a system's memory without leaving any traces of disk, making detection more challenging. That is fileless malware. So these are the most repeated attacks that we get in our examination. Okay, please kindly do note down these things. Okay, Aparna, I will check Aparna. Right. First I'll complete, then I'll check. Okay, next comes. So these are the types of malware that starts from virus, adware, rootkit, spyware, ransomware, Trojan horse, remote access, worm, keylogger. Very, very most important. What do you mean by ransomware? Giving some payment, what they will be doing us, make us to come out of the problem, we have to pay some money. Then we will be able to come back out of that problem. Like that. Okay. Trojan horse means what? They'll come inside as a legitimate user and then they'll be hacking us, right? They are designed to trick users to installing them. They will make us to install that app. Okay, that's a Trojan horse, right? Then next we want worm is what? Self-replicating. It's a keyword, self-replicating, and which does not need any host file. Okay, yes. Next question. This is the last year question. This is the previous year question. Very good. All these things comes under cyber attacks. All these attacks being called as what? WannaCry, Petya, Eternal Blue, and Maze. All these things are called as cyber attacks. Ransomware hackers. I told you right to make it paid, right? It's a payment. WannaCry and Petya is also a kind of cyber attack which spreads rapidly through networks that use Microsoft Windows. And Eternal Blue is also a kind of a cyber attack which has been in Microsoft Windows operating system. And then Maze is right. It is an kind of an attack to steal the data, right? Stealing sensitive data in the US military and a government organization. So these are all called as the cyber attacks. Yes. Wait 1 minute. Okay, and then I would like to tell you this one regarding software. We have types of software: system software, application software, right? Software which governs the functioning of a computer. System software takes care of the internal, and the application software takes care of what? It's the application, like word process, spreadsheet. Now PPT is running, right? That is application software, and that PPT is running because of the system is running, because of the operating system is there. Because of that only my system is running. So we have two types: system software, application software. In system software, we have system management software and developing software. System management software like operating system, device drivers, system utilities comes under system management software. Developing software like programming language, translator, linker, loader and all comes under the developing softwares. When it comes to the application software, we have general purpose software, we have specific purpose software. Now I am using the PPT, I'll be using the Word document, I'll be using the Excel sheet. All these are general purpose software. When it comes to specific purpose means any kind of a specific application, like a billing system will be there. Now using a unified study app, right? Unified study app, right? That is also a specific purpose software, right? It's an application, yes. We are using, right? And next, what are all other types of apps that we have is we have utility software. Yes, we have utility software. What comes under utility software? antivirus software, backup, disk fragmenter that we see, right? Cleaner, all these comes under the utility software. You can note it down on that one also. Utility software. All kind of cleaner softwares, disk fragmenter, antivirus, all files comes under the utility software. Okay, clear? And then what comes under the hardware? Hardware is all about your memory. Okay, hardware, that all comes under the memory concepts. Okay, so application software, if I take word processor, database, multimedia, graphics, web browsers, all these comes under application. Yesterday in a class we discussed about the web browsers and the search engine. What are the web browsers? Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Edge, Internet Explorer, Safari. Now internet is not there. So we have many new web browsers also been introduced that we have to keep in mind. Yesterday we discussed, right? And we have to be aware of these search engines, right? What are the search engines that are available? Search engines. Can you please list some modern search engines? Yesterday we discussed. Yesterday we discussed, right? Bing, Yandex. We discussed the modern. These are all old, already existed, right? Already existing softwares. So, and we have Google search engine, most widely used. Okay, we have Yahoo search. We have AOL. We have, yes. These are all the search engines that we use. Yes. Next one. So when I come, then we have freeware, shareware, open source, closed source, middleware. Okay. What are the freeware softwares? Freeware software means what? That we can use for free of cost. When you can use some software means that we call it as what? Free software. It's also no cost is being charged for using that software. That is a freeware software. Okay. Yes. Without offering any monetary benefit that will be used, that we call it as freeware. That we call it as what? Freeware. What do you mean by shareware? Shareware is a proprietary software which is shared by the owner with a little or low cost. Okay. Shareware, which is freeware, free of cost. No monetary benefit, right, for the creator. Shareware means what? With little cost, the owner will be distributing. Okay, with little cost, it will be distributed. Little cost. And open source means what? Which I can customize to my expectation. I can customize the software. It's an open access. What do you mean by closed access? Closed access is a proprietary software where the owner will be having the sole right to modify, change everything. The owner will be having. That is a closed software. Okay. And what do you mean by middleware? Middleware, middleware software. So middleware software is nothing but the cloud services, the common services that been applied in the middle, so that he will be doing all sorts of work, right? It's a middleware. Okay. It's a common services that be provided between the developer and the operators, right? That we call it as the middleware. Here, where we can say the web server as the middleware, web server. We request something on the other side, Google is having everything, right? In the middle, there will be a middleware who will be helping Google and us, right? That's a middleware. Yes. Yes, Rajkumar. Alta Vista is also a very good. Very good. And next, system software application. Please kindly do note down this one. May be asked in very simple line of question. Operating system, device drivers, firmware, language translators, utility and all. Okay. Yes. Today morning we discussed a question regarding this firmware, right? That is firmware. It's not application software. Yes. The application software, all these things, word processor, database software comes under the application software. So with this, I just want to tell you few things regarding the other things, right? I'll tell you, please kindly do note down. Okay. So I just would like to tell you few things regarding digital initiatives. Okay, I like to tell you some digital initiatives of ICT in, digital initiatives in ICT. Very must will be asked. Okay, so I just want to tell you those who wish to stay back can stay back, or if you have work, you can leave. Okay, yes. So please kindly do note down these things, which has been very important. What are all the important initiatives being taken by the government? Swayam, Swayam Prabha, NDL, National Digital Library. This sometimes comes under higher education also. E-Yantra. E-Yantra means what? For robotics kind of study, they offer E-Yantra. Next comes virtual labs. For labs and all, chemistry labs and all, we can do it online, which is being done through virtual labs. Then next comes what? FOSI. Free open source FOSI. Free open source software for education. I'm going very slow so that you can understand. FOSI is there, right? So these are all the various things that been developed by the government with respect to ICT to implement the ICT concept. Okay, and many of the things been regarding ICT. There is a NMEICT regarding higher education. We have we have a department called NMEICT. What is that NMEICT? National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. So that is an initiative of Government of India, and they promote digital learning in all sorts of the education, right? And they offer all these kinds of, not exactly NMEICT, but there are many departments, many IITs, NITs all together doing this work, right? Swayam Prabha and all these things, right? And we also have some other things like called QR, quick response, right? Quick response codes are there in NCRT books. If you go and check out the NCRT books and state syllabus book, means there will be having QR codes. What is the working of that QR codes? If I scan that QR code, it will be taking to a platform called Diksha. Have you seen Diksha? Diksha means what? I've told you many a times Diksha. I have told many a times Diksha, where all our children's books have this Diksha. Diksha is nothing but digital infrastructure for knowledge sharing. Digital infrastructure for knowledge sharing, where their content will be, e-contents will be given, videos will be given, audio content, something will, some e-contents will be given there. Digital structure for knowledge sharing. Knowledge sharing. It's called Diksha. Quick QR means what? A quick response, right? In all NCRT books, we have this concept of QR codes where it will be, they'll be given what? They'll be given live videos, some kind of an activities will be there. Okay, so it will be there in that things. And we have another person called NROER. Very important. We have a question also one time. What is this NROER? Is National Repository of Open Education Resource. Open Education Resource. Right? NROER, National Repository. Okay. National Repository of Open Education Resources. What they are doing is, they are doing everything, all the open education like video, e-contents will be stored there in the National Repository, and it is being directly governed by CIET, Central Institute of Educational Technology. They, under their supervision, this National Repository of OER is being working. Okay, and it is also designed by NCRT. And the same thing, the QR code in the printed books also done by NCRT. And apart from this, we have another one called, we have another concept called e-Padshal, right? E-Padshal, E-PG Padshal, E-Padshala and EPG Padashala. E-Pathshala and EPG Pathshala. Okay, you want to know what is e-Pathshala and e-PG Pathshala. E-Pathshala, what they does is, it is a direct control of NCRT. Okay, it's direct control of NCRT. What they do in e-Pathshala means they take care of all sorts of resources will be stored there, right? All kinds of resources will be stored there in e-Pathshala. Okay, for students, for teachers, for educated, for parents, everything, right? All the contents will be there in e-Pathshala. And when we go to e-Pathshala, we have another concept called Nishita. What Nishita is for teachers training is there for Nishita. Okay, Nishita is what? It is for teachers training. Okay, it is integrated teachers training for change. It is mainly meant for teacher training. Nishita for teacher training. These are all the initiatives government has done towards education through ICT. That is why I'm giving you all these things. Don't think why I'm giving all these stuffs to you. Okay, don't think in that way, because everything has been needed. That's why I'm giving this. And then next we have a concept called EPG Padashala. Okay, when it comes to e-Pathshala, you have to remember NCRT. NCRT means what? NCRT means what? CBSE syllabus, the school things, right? All are under that NCRT. Okay. And ma'am, what is that EPG Pathshala, ma'am? What does it contain? So EPG Pathshala is also a portal where it also consists of uh, videos, data for students, right? Clear? And we have another one called Sol. Tool is there. So this with regard to digital initiatives of um, in ICT. Swayam Prabha have covered there in teachers thing that you have to go through. NDL is nothing for National Digital Library. E-Yantra, it is meant for robotics, and virtual lab is for mainly for science labs and all. They will be using this. This is for spoken tutorial, and NDL is for library. Okay, Swayam and Swayam Prabha for teaching and learning. You can go through it in teaching aptitude. I've given you very clearly. You can go through. Yes, clear? Yes, clear? Yes. Very good. Many of you have responded here. I'm sorry I was not looking at the chat. Okay, I hope you have been clear. Um, please do watch regularly. We have only 10 days more, exactly 10 days more. So next week from Monday to Friday, okay? From Monday to Friday, I'll be taking class. Do attend at 11:15 to 12:15 on YouTube. I'll be taking class. Do join at 11:15. That will be taking most repeated PYQs will be taken from all the important topics across the things. Right? There are all the topics this year will be taken there. Don't worry. I'll try to try to take those classes like conversion you asked, right? Conversion, few Excel problems will be taken there, that PYQ series. Do attend the next week series, right? Yes. Yes, I'll take People Environment Marathon. Don't worry. Before examination, I'll try to cover very big important PYQs, very important concepts as a marathon session. Yes. Thank you so much for joining. As I told, I completed by 5:14. Okay. Do enjoy. And those who wish to take the subscription, please do visit the Unified Study app. There again, the subscription has been given to you people for those who really wish to clear the examination. Okay, you can visit the app for more details regarding. We have given subscription for learners. Please do visit and enjoy the subscription. Okay. Yes. So those who wish to take the subscription again can visit the Unified Study app, where again we have created a scholarship, an offer for students for day paper 1 500. Paper 2 computer science is for 500, and both combo of paper 1 and paper 2 will be paid for 800 rupees, right? You can go and visit the website for more details. Yes. Thank you so much for listeners for listening to me. Actually, I've hidden my image. Yes. Happy Kartike Deepam. Please don't note down all these digital initiatives in your notebook. It will be very, very important to you. Definitely, we can expect questions from those areas. Please do note down all these things. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you, learners, for listening. Thank you so much. Yes, the Deepam gives prides to everybody. App learners, do join at 8 o'clock for having a mixed PYQ sessions today. We are going to have. Do join at 8 o'clock sharp. Yes, expecting you at 8 o'clock. After Deepam, do join. Thank you so much. Tata. Bye.